C'est dur. Morning, piggies. It's a cool morning, eh? Get off the fence. Back it up. Going over there. Going over there. Oh, sorry, bud. Dude, back it up, my guy. How are you touching that line? Look at. Oh my God, you idiots. What are you doing? Here you go, Mama. Want some food? Want some food. Oh yeah, I gotta clean that freaking wound. Gotta get that big cut on his butt. Stream. Where are you? Well, it looks like it's healing all right. Still don't know what the hell happened there, but nasty gash. Hey girls, how are we doing? You guys made it through another cold one. Good job. Oh, that is frozen solid. Oh, Jesus. Fun stuff, eh? Don't be so greedy, Pebbles. One second, check. There you go. Hey, Joe. What are you doing out of your house? It's cold. Crispy in here this morning. Here, we're closed up. Keep the heat in. Cattle water line was froze solid too, which is crazy because we put heat trace on it, on the lines, Just a little doghouse that it sits in, I guess. There's a little breeze that can get in from the north side. But yeah, froze it right solid. Thankfully, a few seconds of heat gun gets that one going. Chicken barn ain't so lucky, but it still goes. And it's bloody cold today, but minus 42 compared to minus 47 yesterday feels a lot warmer. I feel like you're gonna lose skin right away. I got this whole bale in here yesterday for those pigs, and yeah, they're all bedded in. You guys comfy, eh? Bunch of comfy boys. Measured a couple of them on January 5th, so we will measure them on the 25th, which I believe is Sunday, I want to say. And we'll see what we gained in those 3 weeks. And then we will get a few off to the butcher.